SierraComfort electric lift massage table. This budget-friendly electric lift massage table is able to support up to 500 pounds of working weight with a steel frame. It is able to accommodate larger clients with a 30-inch width, 73-inch length without a headrest, and 85 inches with the face cradle installed. Adjustable face cradles, face pillows, and multiple face cradle outlets are provided with this table. This hydraulic massage table is operated by a foot pedal, making the height adjustment of 18 inches to 35 inches a breeze for both you and your client. With the lowest height range landing between 17 to 19 inches, this massage table meets the ADA tax credit eligibility. 3-inch high-density foam cushioning with oil and water-resistant PU leather upholstery cover this table. Although some customers report that the table still feels hard, they do say when it is on the carpet, the motor is very quiet. The two wheels on this table make relocation between rooms or closer to electrical outlets easy. To keep the table sturdy, the wheels come with a locking mechanism and a 2-year limited warranty. Here are some pros. Budget friendly, comes with face cradle, tax credit eligible, 2 wheels to make easy relocation, 2-year limited warranty. Here are some cons. Some customers say cushioning is hard, does not have raised back or leg adjustment, no extra accessories.